Well, this is Jay. It is November 13th, 2019 at 12:40 hours, and it's been below zero lately. So I'm going to attempt to do a cold start on my old Ford diesel. I haven't started in at least a month or so. Well, it's trying. Let's try. Oh, it's smoky. Oh, I do have my... I forgot that I'd put my blade on there. Huh. I gotta get that. I gotta get a battery for that so I can actually use it. I thought I still had the deck on, but apparently I don't. So here we go again. Whoa, that thing is smoky. Yuck. Can you smell the smoke? I can. Well, that's how cold it is, people. Can you see this icicle here? I don't think you can, but that's how cold it is. Preheater light doesn't work, not sure why. Uh-oh. Hey, look at there. 778 hours. Actually, now that we got this one started, go over to this big boy, get the hood up on it. I need to get it a battery of its own. Ooh-wee. Ice on the exhaust box. Well, you may get 2 cold starts today. Well, all right, got that off. Come over here and get the key in. Hopefully I can get this battery out with one hand, but I think I will. Set the camera there for a minute as I swap out batteries. All right, so, gloves. I probably should have my gloves on, but I don't. Try to get a cold start on this oldie. Man, it is cold. I think wake up temperature yesterday was 11. That started easier than the other one did. This one's got 819 hours. There's the blade working. Let's push some leaves. Push some of this. Hydrostat, and the pedal has a whole lot of snow underneath of it. So I think I will leave it over here for right now. Brr. Well, there you go. 2 cold starts for you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Stay warm. See ya.